Okay, we just shut off the water and we're walking around so Cory can put a new spout on the outside faucet.
Basically just relocating their water supply that was here that goes into the wall that's outside of the wall to the shower. So I need to right here put it in the wall so I can feed their hot water heater. So this is the main to feed their hot water heater. This will go like this. And then I'll put a spout on it.
Okay, so shutting off at the main with the city. So you'll find this out front. It says water. You'll need this nifty little tool. But the one at the house isn't shutting off like it needs to. So I'm gonna use this and get in and shut off the water. Sometimes the residual will keep going, so find the water heater and then you'll want to shut it off here at the water heater, and that will stop the overflow. Now we're sweating this in, or on. Back at Home Depot buying some more supplies. Okay, so now it's time to turn the water back on. So we're gonna go across and start putting the lever going the same direction, and that allows the water flow. And we're going back out to the street. Okay, so now we're back at the street and we're gonna use our nifty little tool and turn the water back on here. And then lastly, we're going to turn on the water to the house, which runs to the same direction again, up and down. And we're going to go check for leaks now.
Yep, that's good.
You want me to run the water out here? Oh, it's dripping. Here we have a little leak, and we're just going to go ahead and tighten this up a little tighter and stop this leak. As you can see, we plumbed into here. And now we're working our way into the garage. So we're gonna add the bathroom. So let's go to the other side. So the toilet will go here, and then this is our shower base. And we'll have a sink on the other side here. We'll add some plumbing here and put another sink here. Welcome back. So now you can see that we started filling back the hole again with the dirt that we had taken out. And Cory's inside starting to pre-mix all his concrete to fill it back in. Okay, we got the concrete filled in. You can see it's all filled in, pre-measured. And tomorrow will be Copper Day. We'll be adding in the water lines to supply the sink, the toilet, and the shower. See you tomorrow.